out of time. Let's go to what happened in Lagos. We had the Speaker of the Lagos House of Assembly announced that he's going to propose new laws. We've not seen the text of the law
Mm-hmm.
that will give advantage, favor the indigenes of Lagos in business, land ownership, property ownership, and business ownership. What do you take? What is your take on that?
Well, okay. I like to approach this from all kinds, from these three directions. One, from the constitutional question that the Nigerian constitution does not recognize indigenship, recognizes citizenship. The Lagos state government cannot make such a law, period. Even if it does, it will be an illegal, at the core of the union is the protection of individual rights, including individual property rights. Yeah, you cannot make laws that are discriminatory that cannot be challenged. If you do that and they're challenged, either in the course of law or in the course of public opinion, it falls apart. Now, the question I've always asked is, why do people worry about these kinds of ignorance? I mean, I'm told that the speaker of this assembly studied law. I mean, this chap is talking like a totally ignorant person. He has no locus, he cannot make that law. Even if it does, it will be an unenforceable law. First, even if the even if the Supreme Court is so fractured and so corrupt that it accepts that law, well, my view will be okay. You would have justified the grounds for secession because that's what it's saying. To deny citizens other parts of Nigeria the right to own property in Lagos is a call for secession. That's one. Okay, it is an act of defense against the federal constitution of Nigeria, which in a sense means it is a call for secession. That's one. Two, it will then compel people to move their money out of Lagos. Perhaps that's what Lagos needs, for people to move their resources out of Lagos. I said to them, go ahead and do that law. Make that law. Let's see you make it. People should not be intimidated by this crass response to our political environment. Two things. The current speaker is an ignorant man. His law degree from Lagos State University is wash. It has to that. I don't know who gave him a law degree. Two, he's a poorly educated man. He doesn't know the Constitution he's talking about. Three, he is a very limited imagination. Who is he directing this law against? Lagos, as it is currently, is made up of, at the most, 75% outsiders who migrated to Lagos. But let's not even talk about the indigenes of Lagos. He is not an indigene of Lagos. The Igbo were more indigenous to Lagos before him. Look, Idumota, Idumagbo, these are Igbo settlements in Lagos long before Lagos became anything in the 15th century. Those who settled Lagos, among those who settled Lagos, were indigenous Igbo. The anthropological facts support this argument. Okay, so when they make this kinds of argument, it is provocative and is aimed at bringing enmity